Yun. Thank you so much for hosting our party, for our birthday party. The best. Yung Magician, sobrang galing. Wala akong masasabi. Nag-enjoy lahat ng batang dumating. Even though the party celebrant, in-enjoy niya mismo. Thank you so much. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up
You're the
talaga.
best. Yeah. Actually, this is the second time na nakita namin yung host nyo. Walang pagbabago. It's the best. Wala kami problema. Dumating ako kanina on time. Pero naka-ready ng lahat.